Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. So I say, wait, welcome to my channel. And I want to celebrate my 2,500 subscriber. And thank you, Mr. Marcus Simpson, for joining my channel. And what I like to do is get in touch with me so I can send you a gift. A little bit of history about my channel now. As of the 1st of October 2019, I opened my account on September 14, 2011. But I really didn't start doing anything till actually my first video I put up was October 1st, 2013. I made my first penny on October, my first penny was made in December. December 1st, 2013. So from then on, it just started to climb. My viewer base started to climb, of course, and I am currently at views 1.9 million. My watch minutes are 4.1 million. And of course my subscribers now, we clicked over again, I'm at 2,502. I get an average of 3 a day. And I've just gone over since my first two cents in 13. I just, as of this month, I wrote $198, and I've made a total of $5,256 since 2013. It's not, I say, well, it's not much, but hey, it's $200 a month right now. So put that in your budget. I have noticed that during the months, the income does peak up and down. So for me, my high time is December. I get a considerable increase in income in December. December of 2017, I hit a peak of $225 for the month. 2018, I hit a peak of $230. So I'm excited to see what December's going to hold for me this year. I found my lows are actually in February. Everything drops off again. So you don't have a complete for February. For January, I got one for January 18 through 19. January of 18, I made $125. So you can see it drops quite a bit. And then 19, it was 153. The July also drops off in the middle of the year here, and July of 18 was 156, and July of this year was 166, and comes down. It all comes down to the views. If I get over 50,000 views for a month, I'll be in the over 200. Drop down into 30,000. Anyway, that's my history. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe. Definitely subscribe and definitely share. And again, Mr. Marcus Simpson, please get in touch with me. And we will catch you on the next Dana Crosby's channel.